So I'll just make a quick video of a couple of the different folds you can do. So if it's a newborn, you probably want to start with just the small insert, and then you can add the large one if you need it, but you may as well try it out with the small first. So first I'll do the newborn hack. So that's the smallest one. So for the newborn hack, you'll want to snap the top row of the rise snaps into the middle. Then place the insert in. I actually never snapped the inserts in, but you can if you need to. So then put the baby in the diaper, put the insert up, tuck it around their legs, so kind of like taco the insert. It just helps prevent leaks. Then you'll push this up and then just fold this over like this. So basically you just have the bottom row of the rise snaps showing and then the waist snaps. So tuck these wings around and then pull these out here. So you're gonna snap the hip snap into the bottom rise snaps and snap the waist into the correct spot. Do the same with the other one. So wrap this around, put the wing out here, and you can snap this here. So for the newborn hack, you can snap it over if you need a smaller waist. And then always make sure that you tuck the leg elastics under so they're like this rather than out like this. It just helps prevent leaks again, and make sure that's right up in the underwear line. So that is the newborn. And then for the skinny leg, which is the one we actually used the longest. So just unsnap this. So for the skinny leg, you're actually going to snap the hip snaps here into these two of the top rise snaps, like this. And then put your insert in. Same thing with making sure you taco the insert. Pull this up. Now with this one, you're going to snap the hips into whichever one of these fits best around the legs. So if they have really skinny legs, this one will be smaller. You can also move it up to this rise snap when their legs get a bit bigger. So just snap those in. And then same with the other one. So make sure you wrap this around the back. Pull this out here. And then you can overlap these as well if you need to. And so that's the skinny leg. And then unsnap this. So these are into the regular rise settings now. So just unsnap these. So for the smallest of the regular rise settings, you're just gonna snap this top row into the bottom. So just all three like this. Now you might want two inserts. So I have a boy, so I actually always line my inserts up like this so they're both at the front. I don't snap them together. It just gives more absorbency where you actually need it. If you have a girl, or just if your preference is to have them snap together, you can just center them and snap them. I just don't personally do that. So then you're gonna put the baby back on here. Again, inserts up, tuck them in to the underwear line there. Pull this up. And now when you're on the regular rise settings, you always want to make sure that this is pointed up. It just helps prevent leaks at the legs. So make sure the middle is up, that fabric is just pushed upwards rather than down. And make sure your two sides here at the legs, same thing. So you're gonna wrap this around. And now you're gonna put the hip snaps in their regular spot, waist snaps in their regular spot. So like this. And same with the other side. And then again, you're gonna make sure that these are tucked under and then also tucked into the underwear line, right up in the underwear line. And then that is the smallest fit of the regular. And then the others are just the same. So basically when you're needing to up the rise here, unsnap those. And then this is the middle rise setting. Again, make sure when you put it on the baby, this is upwards. And then you'll eventually let it all the way out. and it'll just be like this. And then as the baby grows, obviously you can move these along. You don't necessarily have to have the hips in line with the waist. So like my baby right now actually he wears it like this, just because he has giant legs. So he needs a bit more room on the hip snap. Yeah, so hopefully that helped a bit.